Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to AFK Grow a Garden Roblox. On today's video, I'm going to teach you how to AFK and grow a garden Roblox. All you need to do to AFK and grow a garden Roblox and grow a garden when you use your PC, you need to download an auto clicker. And here's a bonus tip for you guys for the auto clicker. Some people do this when they open the auto clicker, then they start their auto clicker, then they just go here and you just leave the mouse there and it keeps on clicking every 5 seconds and so on and so forth. But what I want to do is, for example, I want the master sprinkler here, the gear. All I have to do is just go here, then start my auto clicker like so I'm gonna get that. Click on start. Let's see, and stop it. I'm gonna put in 5 seconds. Oh no, 3 seconds. Every 3 seconds it start. Then every 3 seconds it's there we go. For 3 seconds it clicks. There you go. So as you can see right now, we can now go AFK. So once we come back from AFK, we didn't waste our time being AFK. And we got a bonus master sprinkler if ever it comes in the shop in the gear while we are AFK. So there you go guys. Hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comments down below and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.